just bloody heard. Just have a peek around the fence here. Oh yeah, it is too. Let's go and have a look at this. Got the new Z650 RS 50th anniversary. Good. Hey, look at this. The Kawasaki Z650 RS that's finally here in the 50th anniversary 650 Z650 RS. I'm so excited. I'm lost for words. I'm jumbling my words up. I've just ran you through these guys. Mate, have a look at the video. I'm not going to waffle on too much. That's that one there. This is your traditional in your GPZ colours, which I've shown you the video on that one. But what we got here, we got a very rare sight, having these two bikes next to each other today only. This one goes out tomorrow, and someone's going to buy this one for sure. So check it out. Check out the rest of the video. This is what they are. One of only 29 in the country of each of these guys. One of 29. So you're not going to see them around. So anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching. Check them out, and we'll see you soon. Got the new Z650 RS 50th anniversary. One of only, I think it's 29 in the country. In this beautiful country of Australia. Sun's finally out. I'm just going to show you. Might even move it out into the sun. There you go. Yeah. So just put it out into the sun. Have a look at the paint on this thing here. I don't know if you can see it in there, there's all sparkles and stuff. Looks really good actually. It's a different colour to the Jaffa. This is a real brown colour. I thought it was the same, but no, it's not. If you have a look there. But she's a nice bike. Round discs on it, traditional disc, gold wheels as you can tell. That gloss black frame with the Kawasaki there. Comes out with the LED indicators here in Australia, whereas the 650, the other ones, just come out with the planos. LED headlight. Looks like a bloody mobile phone in there, look at that. Check that out. Got that very traditional seat. Now I'm sure you've all seen this stuff before. The grab rail on the back. What's the tail light on it here? Oh, I don't know. I'll turn that on and we'll have a look, eh? Let's have a look at the dashboard here. Traditional, Z900 style things with a round 240k an hour. I don't think you'll see that. Yeah, no, she looks pretty cool. It's got your odometer, range, average kilometres a litre, all the latest stuff here. So it's got your select button through here, just up and down on those pieces there. So it's pretty easy. Let's have a look at this tail light. Oh yeah, it's got a tail light, yippee. So I'm pretty sure it's still the same, that a 160/60 ZR17 rear tyre and a 120/70/17 front. Come out with a Dunlop Sportsmax Road Sport 2s. Very good, very capable tyre on any bike. And with this one here, they're not overly powerful, but they're bloody good. Now this is a Lambs model for our country. See, there is a stop. There's a stop on that, on the throttle body just there. So that's a Lamb, so I can only open up so far, but you know, who cares? Which is a good thing. That's your Kawasaki Z650. Kawasaki Z650 50th anniversary in the RS, mate. Oh, I've got my sunnies on. Kawasaki Z650 RS 50th anniversary edition. One of only 29 in the country. Absolute cracking bike. So this one's pre-sold, sold. They're all sold. I don't think you'll ever get one, but she's a good jigger. So I'll bring out the 50th in the standard, which you've seen, but I'll show you again. So here I've just brought out the standard in the Z650, just to give you a look, the similarities of the both bikes. Have a look at the swing arm, same swing arm, same frame, same engine. Have a look at the engine. Would have been nice for this one to have like the flutes, the air filter, the air flutes on the motor, just to give it that traditional look. But you know, how far do you go with these things? It's a tribute to, it's not a remanufacture of. So it's a tribute to the Z range and the classic styling, the GPZ style of the 80s and the 70s here with that Jaffa or what do they call them overseas? A root beer colour, or just brown and bloody orange, that'll do. But just sort of show you these two. Absolute cracker bikes, mate. The headlights, it's got the traditional round style, and then you've got the current shape on that. Brake differences. See, the brakes have got that pedal disc, which is on the modern style look. And in this one here, you've got your round disc, that traditional round disc. The engine, everything's the same from here down. Basically, your engine's all the same. Radiator's the same. Yep. All that stuff there, she's all the same. Got your double overhead camshaft badges on the thing over there, very traditional. So your round rear brake, and you just look through there, you got the pedal disc of the standard, and your round there of your RS. So comes standard with a grab rail as well. That's cool. Traditional style seat, which I think I've been through. But mate, this is it. This is what we got. Very limited bikes. Cannot find them anywhere. And but I've got 2 of those left and no RSs. So give us a buzz and come and get yours and enjoy the new bikes, mate. Enjoy. It's good to have something new come out of Kawasaki, and especially this bloody good. So oh, there we go. Finally got it. Now I've got to get it ready to deliver it. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, and hopefully we'll see some of these out on the road.